Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are unboxing the November 2023 Sew Sampler Box. So I do apologize, I know my video is a little bit later than normal, but I did still want to get this unboxing out for you. So this is the November Sew Sampler Box from Fat Quarter Shop. If you are new to these boxes, they put out monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes. The boxes I believe are $29.95 a month, and then the value inside kind of varies. So I will tell you at the end of this unboxing what this month's box value is. I will put a link below this video on where you can get your Sew Sampler Box. Sometimes they're available, sometimes they have a wait list, so you might just kind of have to be diligent about checking that. But let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside the November box. So the theme for this month's box is Friends Forever, and on the back there is a 15% off Fat Quarters promo code. There's also a QR code for a free pattern download as well. So if you do get these boxes, make sure to check the back of the insert because they always have some sort of goodie on there. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to talk about is the Pressed Flowers Sew Along. So Fat Quarter Shop boxes always have a sew along going with them, and they run for 12 months. At the end of the 12 months, they give you a finishing layout pattern for it all. And usually when they release the boxes for that year, they have kits for these as well. So the kits are sold out, and they may have finishing kits available for these on their website as well. So you're going to have to check that. They put them up and they sell out quickly, so you'll definitely want to stop by Fat Quarter Shop to see if they still have those. Here's what this month's block looks like. This is block number 8 for the Pressed Flowers Quilt Along, and it said Pressed Flowers Quilt Along is in full bloom. This garden themed quilt by Fat Quarter Shop features Sugarberry by Bunny Hill Designs for Moda Fabrics, and it'll bring some fresh cut flair that you can keep forever. The pattern itself retails for $4.98, and I think once the sew along is over, you can get these patterns on their website. I am actually collecting all of these. They're really nice, kind of cardstocky patterns. They're twofold, so I'm keeping all of these together, and at the end, once I have all 12 of them, I'm going to bundle them all up and give them away to one of you, so stay tuned for that. So our next thing in this month's box is this Metler thread. This is valuing at $3.48, and it is a variegated Dusty Rose Metler 100% cotton silk finish thread. My glasses. Okay. It says this 50 weight thread will keep things fresh and fun in the sewing room. This light variegated pink hue from Metler is sweet and strong, but won't overpower your fabrics. With 109 yards on a spool, you can use it to piece or quilt for a light pop of happy color on your next quilt project. So this is a really fun, and it is, hopefully you can see that on camera there, but it's just a really nice light, kind of light pink to like a medium pink tone variegation. So not too much, but lots of fun. Our next item in here are Wonder Clips, and I actually have a ton of these, so I'm not that excited to see these in the box, but if you're new to quilting, these are super helpful. I use them all the time. I just have received so many of them, plus I think I bought some when I first started quilting, so yeah, I kind of have a lot of these, but that's okay. These are valued at $6.48, and it says, we never stop feeling wonder for Wonder Clips. These wonderful clips are sturdy and perfect for binding EPP and textiles like flannel where pins just can't cut it. Basically, this beloved basic has so many uses and belongs in every sewing kit. And I do agree with that. I love my Wonder Clips. They're so much fun, and I use them all the time, especially for like bag projects or holding binding on, or anything super chunky vinyl where you don't want to put a pin in it. So they are definitely one of my most used sewing notions. Our next thing is totally different. I've never seen these before in a box. This is a set of 2 small lightwood classy clamps by Precision Quilting Tools. And it says, laying quilts on the floor is sure to incur the quilty pet tax. Avoid it with this easy quilt hanging system. Classic clamps from Precision Quilting Tools are a quick and attractive way to hang your quilt. Follow the instructions to use the included clamps and screws to hang anything up to 1/4 inch thick. It's simply the perfect solution. And I agree. I have pet fur on just about everything that I do. I do like these. I think they're great, but you do have to screw them into your wall. And I'm not a huge fan of screwing things into my wall, so it kind of depends on, I tend to use like the Velcro 3M sticks and things like that, but I do love a good quilt hanging for my wall. So if you have somewhere that you're always going to be hanging a quilt, this is probably a great solution for you. Now, I wonder, it'd be interesting. I don't know if you guys have seen these before. I haven't used them before. There's only 2 in here. And if I'm hanging a really big quilt, I kind of like to have 3 at least. So 1 on each end and 1 in the middle. So I think if you're listening, Precision Quilting Tools, a 3-pack might be a little bit better than a 2-pack. If you're using it for a smaller quilt project, then that's probably okay. But I don't know. It'd be interesting to see if these would hold up like kind of a larger like wall hanging quilt. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about these and if you've used them before in the comments below. Our pattern for this month is the Balcony Quilt Pattern by Fat Quarter Shop, valuing at $9.98. This quilt pattern is so simple yet sophisticated, you'll be shouting it from the balconies. The Balcony Pattern by Fat Quarter Shop shows instructions for 3 sizes and is just the design to flaunt the full-size prints in the Besties bundle from this month's box. From these little beasts, you can create so much beauty. And here it is. They have 3 sizes in the back, a 43 by 43, 60 by 60, and 94 by 94. So you can get this pretty large. Let's look inside. We've got full color. I obviously don't want to show you the inside of the pattern, but we do have full color instructions in here, and it looks really easy. My only tip, I guess, for this one, they do have you cutting some fabric on the bias for this one. So I would recommend using Mary Ellen's Best Press or pre-starching your fabric before you do this guy, just so that you're not distorting those blocks. But for the most part, it looks pretty easy to assemble. And on to the good stuff, our fabrics. So the fabric in this month's box is the Balcony Besties Fat Quarter Bundle by Tula Pink for Free Spirit Fabrics. It values at $32.98. And it says, some friendships last forever. The Besties collection by Tula Pink for Free Spirit Fabrics pays homage to our constant quilting companions and other fuzzy friends. This set of 9 fat quarters showcases all the prints in the line, including Tula's trademark hidden menagerie with a myriad of bright colors and hints of gold metallic. This fabric is sure to make a possum impression. Should we open it? Okay, we'll open it. I sometimes feel the hardest part about these is opening the fabric. Okay, so here we are. I feel like this one I should possibly open up because there's doggies. Furry pups. I'm gonna open this. Here we go. Here is one of the fat quarters. It's got all the little puppies on there and fire hydrants. So cute. Tula Pink is just so creative with her designs, and they're always just so much fun. We've got some, let's do it this way. We've got some fishies, goldfish. We've got some bunnies with stars and moons, salamanders or lizards of some kind. Kitty cats, hamsters, cute hamsters, best friends, a geometric print. I already showed the fish. All right, that is everything that came in the November 2023 So Sampler box. I did add it up for you. $71.64 is your value for this month's box. That's quite a bit. It usually ranges anywhere between like mid 50s to high 60s. 70 is one of the higher boxes that I have seen. So pretty good value for this month's box. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item was from this month's unboxing. My 2 favorite things are going to be these clips. I would like to try these, I'm assuming with maybe a smaller project, but I'd still like to try them anyway. And then also, of course, this fabric bundle, because who doesn't love Tula Pink? It's so much fun. And I actually really love using these. I haven't done a Tula Pink quilt, have I? I've done some English paper piecing projects, but not a quilt. But what I do love using these for are bag projects because they're so bright and colorful and lots of fun. And you can do like a half a yard or something, and then you get all of those fun designs, and you can just use that for a bag, and then it's just super cute. All right, so that's everything that came in this month's box. I am going to do a quick little what's new at Fat Quarter Shop at the end of this video because I haven't had time to do a podcast with all of the other projects I've had going on, but I did want to show you some of their new items before they either sell out or they're also kind of seasonal. So let's just go ahead and dive right in. One of the fun things that they just released is this Candy Star Thread Bling, and this is really cute. You can keep all of your little floss bobbins on there and just like a giant keyring for all of your floss. So super cute, and it just makes it lots of fun. The next thing they released, I'm sure you've seen this one, is the Quilted Witch, and this is a needle minder, but this thing is actually quite huge. So I think I would more use this as, it's got 2 magnets on the back. It's so big. I'd probably use this just more as decor than sticking this on a quilt for my needles, just because it's ginormous, but it's still really cute. The other thing they released are these cute pumpkin floss bobbins. There's quite a few of them in there. I can't see on the package where it says how many, but there's quite a few. So if you have a project with a lot of different flosses, this would be great. And then you can put them on this little ring and keep all of your flosses organized. So lots of fun. I also have a bunch of new patterns to show. So we've got some quilt patterns. We've got dewdrops. What is this one? Do-si-do, alpine blooms, tail feathers, castle courtyard, the quilted witch, and Millie's dresses. These are so fun. And then I have a bunch of cross stitch as well. So I've got the Penny, Pearl, and Percy chicken clubs. These are all put out by Lori Holt. So these are really cute. I'm collecting them all. The Fall Harvest cross stitch, September stackables, October stackables, November stackables, Spooky, the Quilted Witch, and this thing is huge. This finishes at 12 by 15 if you're using like 14 count ADAS. And then lastly, I have this awesome book. It's called Celebrate with Quilts by Lisa Alexander and Susan Aki. And these guys are the masters of scrappy quilts. They make such fun quilt projects. I think Fat Quarter Shop has an interview with them for this out now, and I'm sure they've showed all the quilts as well, but this is one of their newest books. It retails for $32.95. If you're looking for a gift for a quilter this year, I highly recommend this. Their scrappy quilt books are so much fun. They've got just a ton of different varieties in here, and a lot of times you can take the blocks from these and mix them and match them and just kind of make your own thing, table runners, etc. But they have a ton of full-size quilts in here. I don't know if it says, I mean, look at, these are all the projects that are listed in this book. It says 13 unforgettable quilts and 60 sampler quilt blocks. So tons of stuff in here and just perfect. So also make sure following Lisa and Susan on Instagram because they're always posting all of this as well. And their projects are just so much fun. So that's everything that's new at Fat Quarter Shop. Those items will be going out for giveaway. I am going to be doing a giveaway at the end of this video for some of those patterns. So in order to win a little pattern bundle from what you just saw, make sure to leave a comment below letting me know your favorite holiday tradition, or you could also do your favorite holiday song or recipe, whatever your favorite thing is from this season. Rules for the giveaway are make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you like this video, comment below like I said, and then unfortunately US only because international shipping is really expensive right now. So I hope you guys are having a fun holiday season, and thanks for hanging out with me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and you can also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next time. What's this one? Bunnies. I think I'm gonna have to open all these. I don't want to. It is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive, $13.74 value, and it said laying quilts on the floor is sure to incur the quilty pet tax. Oh. What do I want to say? Who doesn't love Tula Pink? Am I right?